10 best practices for writing. Effective B2B cold emails. AI tools. AnyBiz. Cold emails are a direct and effective way to start business relationships, even in the age of social media. Studies show 80% of buyers prefer email contact, making it essential for B2B marketing. AI is transforming cold emailing from random attempts to precisely targeted, personalized messages. By analyzing vast data, AI helps identify opportunities, craft engaging content, and optimize send times, enhancing response rates. In this video, we explore 10 best practices for B2B cold emails using AI, understanding your audience, crafting compelling subject lines, personalizing at scale, optimizing email content, timing, strategic follow-ups, A/B testing, ensuring deliverability, analyzing performance, and avoiding pitfalls. Understanding your target audience. Understanding your audience is key to B2B cold emailing success. It helps you craft relevant messages, boosting click-through rates by 14% and open rates by 26%. AI enhances audience research, providing deeper insights and better targeting for improved ROI. AI enhances audience segmentation by analyzing data for trends and predicting engagement. Tools like AnyBiz provide insights into potential clients, update segments in real time, and detect signals of interest, such as job postings and tech changes. AI helps create detailed buyer personas by analyzing data to identify key traits, map customer journeys, and refine profiles. This approach ensures your B2B emails are tailored to the right audience and continually updated for effectiveness. 2. Crafting compelling subject lines. In B2B cold emailing, the subject line is crucial for grabbing attention. Effective subject lines leverage psychological triggers: curiosity, urgency, personalization, clear value, social proof, and storytelling. AI-powered subject line generators analyze data to craft high-performing lines. They offer personalized suggestions, optimized language, and assess sentiment and relevance. Tools like Phrasee, Persado, and AnyBiz excel in this area, but human oversight is key to ensure alignment with your brand and goals. A/B testing subject lines involves sending 2 versions to small groups to see which performs better. Test one change at a time, use a significant sample size, and analyze results beyond open rates. Tools like AnyBiz help automate this process for ongoing optimization. 3. Personalization at scale. Personalization in B2B cold emailing boosts response rates significantly. AI tools like AnyBiz craft tailored emails by analyzing details like company news, making each message feel unique and relevant. 4. Optimizing email structure and content. Use a catchy subject line and personalized greeting. Start with a strong, relevant hook, outline your value, and support it with proof. End with a clear call to action and professional sign-off. AI tools like AnyBiz can help tailor content based on data. 5. Timing your emails for maximum impact. The best time to send B2B emails is usually midweek, like Tuesday or Thursday, and around 8, 9 a.m. or 2, 3 p.m. However, it varies by industry and audience. Testing and AI can help optimize send times. 6. AI-driven send time optimization. AI tools like AnyBiz optimize email timing by analyzing data to determine the best send times for each recipient, considering factors like time zones, industry trends, and personal preferences for maximum engagement. 7. Leveraging AI for follow-up sequences. In B2B cold emailing, effective follow-ups are essential. AI tools like AnyBiz optimize follow-up timing, personalize content based on recipient behavior, and improve engagement through intelligent sequence adjustments. 8. A/B testing and continuous improvement. Focus on testing elements like subject lines, value propositions, CTAs, and timing. Analyze results for statistical significance, look beyond open rates, and apply insights iteratively. Balance data with intuition and document findings to refine your strategy over time. 9. Ensuring deliverability and compliance. To maintain high deliverability, use SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for email authentication. Clean your list regularly and offer easy opt-outs. Avoid spammy words and balance text with images. Personalize emails and manage sending volumes carefully. For new domains, warm them up gradually to build a good reputation. 10. Measuring and analyzing performance. To optimize cold email campaigns, focus on KPIs beyond open rates, like click-through, response, and conversion rates. Tools like AnyBiz provide analytics and insights, helping you refine your approach based on data. Regularly review metrics and adjust strategies for continuous improvement. Avoid pitfalls in B2B cold emailing by blending automation with personal touches, optimizing for mobile, keeping email lists clean, and focusing on benefits over features. This approach ensures your emails are engaging, effective, and relevant. AnyBiz transforms B2B sales with AI, handling lead identification, personalized outreach, and email warming. It automates and customizes your sales process, letting you focus on closing deals. Try it free for 7 days. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.